Hey guys, so it's Stefan from Silverback Customs here. So it's Sunday, 10th of May, and as we promised, we're going to be launching our new project to you. Now, when I show you this, the reason we're calling it a project, you'll soon see. This is going to be a massive build for us. So what I'm going to do, let's get the shop lights on and I'll show you what we're working with. So this is it. We are going to be building a 2001 CR250. Now, as I said, the reason this is a project, this is all we have. We have a frame, we have an engine, we have an airbox and subframe. That's it. We're going to be getting the rest, fabricating the rest, and there's going to be some very, very trick parts on this. Now, at this moment in time, you can see the the garage is a bit of a mess because we've got everything in here because we're currently working on our shop. Hopefully that'll be done in the next couple of weeks. Just finishing off our Yamaha 450. Now, this is brand new suspension, wheels, frame, subframe, original exhaust, the lot, all brand new. Never touched the dirt. These are the actual tires from Yamaha, front wheels from Yamaha, and we've actually got another brand new frame tucked away down in here. Frame, swing arm, suspension, everything ready, good to go. So this one's going to be going up for sale soon. So keep an eye out for that. But the 250 is going to be the new big project for us. Now, it's going to be a couple of weeks before we start this. Like I say, we're working on our shop at the minute. And unfortunately, due to the coronavirus, it's difficult getting the people in here we need to work in here. So keep an eye out. Head over to our channel on YouTube. Subscribe to it. There's a little bit of content at the minute. We're going to be putting more stuff up. And we're going to be getting more and more content on there. This stuff is going to be hopefully getting a post weekly, but on our on our Instagram page and our Facebook page, we'll be keeping you up to date with little bits and bobs. We're going to be fully blowing this bike apart. The first video we're actually going to do a build of what we've got. We've got some more parts ordered, so we've got triple clamps, we've got frame, got a front wheel come in, got rear shock. So we're going to put it all together, just so we know exactly what we've got, so we can make a list as soon as we can of all the parts we need to get. We don't want to be putting any delays on the build, so we want to try and get everything we need ordered up straight away. Now, we're going to be showing you everything that needs doing on this bike, from blowing the engine apart, rebuilding it, checking all the transmission, putting everything back together. We've already ordered in a rebuild kit from Phil at MX Race Time. So we've worked with Phil for absolute years. He's always been good to us. So we want to put our business back into him. We're going to show you rebuilding the suspension, doing the linkages, and some trick stuff, which we're not going to spoil for you yet, but this is going to be the absolute dogs when it's finished. So we want to thank you guys for liking and sharing this video. Also, head over to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to that, click the little bell so you don't miss anything, and hopefully a couple of weeks we can get this started. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really does help the channel, and hopefully the quality will be a lot better when the videos get started. See you later.